What is going on, and welcome to another video. My name is Chill. Join me today, guys, as we talk about the Bitcoin's price and the possible targets in the coming days and weeks. If you want to stay up to date with my latest trades and analysis, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. And if you are ready, let's get to it. So you're looking right now at the Bitcoin's daily time frame, guys. And right now, the Bitcoin's price is hovering on this critical zone resistance. And I think Bitcoin, in my own opinion, is due for a correction. And the reason why is because we previously got rejected from this level right here. This is one of the major resistance level on the Bitcoin's chart, and we have seen a significant amount of correction at around 20%, guys. From this level right here, we have seen the price drop back to $38,000 within a couple of days. So right now we are on this very specific zone resistance, guys, and I think Bitcoin is due for a correction, in my own opinion. Looking at the liquidity map on the 3-day time frame, we have actually a huge amount of liquidation, guys. So let me just refresh this one. So looking at the Bitcoin liquidation heat map 3-day time frame, we have actually a huge liquidation at around 53 or 52,800 level. We have around $400 million liquidations at around this area, guys. So probably we might see Bitcoin pump back up to that level and probably do a wick, a little bit of a wick to the upside here above 53,000. So probably we might see Bitcoin wick a little bit, or maybe a fake out to the upside and then drop back to this level right here. And right now we are approaching the post-Bitcoin halving. The next Bitcoin halving is going to be around April 20, 2024, and that is going to be like few days from now. So if you're going to measure it, we are like 2 months away from the next Bitcoin halving. And post Bitcoin halving, in the previous price action, usually Bitcoin do a 30 or 20 to 30% correction, guys. So if we are going to measure the that 30% from the current level, that will bring the price back to this zone right here around 37,000, and that is in confluence with the bigger support trend line. So we have a good support trend line here, and if we're going to measure it from 52,900, and probably if we get that wick up to 53,700, let's say a wick up to this level, that will give us at around 30%, guys. 30% correction from $53,000 will bring us back to $37,000. So what kind of price action do I expect in the coming days and weeks? So probably we might see Bitcoin drop back to this smaller support trend line here. So what you can see, this is also a significant level of support for Bitcoin. We have seen the price drop to this level and bounce back up. And also this, we can consider this as a noise, guys. We have discussed about this inverse head and shoulders pattern. This was the breakout target right here. And right now we are seeing the price pump back up to 53,000 level. And right now, probably because there is a huge liquidity at around 53,000 level, so we might see a short squeeze in the short term, and probably this will bring the price back up and retest this previous resistance, probably around 52 to 53,700 maximum, and we might see that reversal, guys. So from this level, we might see a 20% drop back to the support trend line, and probably a short-term bounce from this level to retest this previous resistance level right here. And probably that will bring the price back down to this bigger support trend line, guys. If you're going to zoom out, if we get lucky enough, then we might see the price drop back to this 37,000 level, and that will give us around 30% correction, which is likely to happen before the next Bitcoin halving. And also, I am bearish in the short term, but of course I am very bullish in the bigger and longer time frame, because if you are going to zoom out, we are right now approaching the probably the next parabolic run, guys, and after halving, we might see Bitcoin's price bounce from this level. So this could be the final shakeout that we are expecting, guys. And of course, this could be one of the biggest opportunity if you want to reaccumulate or accumulate more Bitcoin before this possible parabolic run 2024-2025. So again, my target remains this is going to be my next target and probably the next all-time high level. So I'm just going to remain conservative, guys. These are going to be my take profit zone for Bitcoin. So probably I'm going to take profit when Bitcoin hit the 65,000 level. So this is going to be my TP1 here. TP1 for my long-term bags. Next target is going to be around 80 to 85. So let's say around this level right here. So $80,000 is going to be my TP2 zone. And probably we are going to see that one last leg up, and probably going to sell around 50 to 60% or probably 70% of my holding when we hit $82,000 to $85,000. I'm going to leave some just in case we continue to moon probably up to $95,000. So this is going to be my probably the last TP this 4-year cycle, guys. So that's my Bitcoin plan. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And of course, this current economies is in recession right now. We have Peru, Japan, Ireland, Estonia, Finland, Moldova, Denmark, Luxembourg, and United Kingdom. And probably if we get this final shakeout around before in the coming months, guys, in the coming months. So again, I'm going to repeat, probably we might see this final shakeout and this kind of price action drop to 43,000 level, bounce back up to 48,000, and then continue its move to the downside up to $37,000. Maximum, if we get lucky enough, maybe we'll touch this zone support at $32,000. And that's our last chance to reaccumulate and, of course, huddle before the probable parabolic run here after the halving, guys. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. We'll continue our chat in our free public Telegram group. And of course, feel free to follow me on all my social media accounts. And if you want to join our community, head on to Discord, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.